Alright, good morning guys. Fishing with Toby here. Funny story actually. We were supposed to go to Strawberry Reservoir, but we actually went the wrong way and we ended up being an hour and a half away from Strawberry Reservoir. So anyway, we kind of screwed up. So we ended up going to Deer Creek Reservoir instead. It is a beautiful reservoir. It is lovely. There's a lot of, there's a lot of water. There's mountains, beautiful reservoir. So we came to Deer Creek instead, just so we wouldn't have to drive another hour and a half. So, but it's freaking cold. I'm talking, it feels like it's like 60, 50. It's pretty cold out here right now. We're just waiting for the sun to come up. My uncle's over there. I gotta go pick him up here in the boat. He's trying to freaking park. Oh, did I get a snag? Oh yeah, it's just my pole acting up. But yeah, that's the plan for today. Doing a little bit of fishing here at Deer Creek Reservoir. We're trying to go for some smallies. Hopefully we can troll for some walleye too. So it should be fun. It should be a fun day. We got all day to fish. I'm just hoping that the sun comes up because it is freaking cold. It is extremely cold. But with that out of the way, guys, I'm gonna do a couple of casts while he gets the boat set up and ready to go, or not the boat, parks the car. I actually forgot my chest strap, so bear with me. I'm gonna have to be like putting it on the side, like right there. But I actually forgot my freaking chest strap, so bear with me. But stay tuned, we're gonna catch some fish, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright, Longo's on the boat, ready to rumble. I don't know where we're going first. Never really fished this place. This is our second time. The first time we came for like 2 hours, we didn't catch anything. So yeah, we had to find a spot where there might be some fish. Then we're gonna head down that way. I don't know if that's north, west, east. Don't really matter. We're in it somewhere though. Ese puntito. Yeah, they got a fish. I got the first fish of the day right here. Little young buck smallmouth. Here we go. First fish of the day on Senko wacky rig style with the little weight on there. Got him pretty good. He bit like 3 times. I couldn't get him. First fish of the day right here. Little smallie. Not a giant. Let him go right here. See ya. First fish. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice fish. Alright guys, I'm on again. Never mind, it's not a giant. Still a fish though. Fish on! Third one of the day. 0. Little one's up, but oh, alright, self-release. Fish on. Little guy.
Tour versus 0.
Póngale Ned rig. Ned rig rookie. Hit it. Right here. Popping. Fish on.
No.
No, I fucked up. Just lost another one. It's alright, there's plenty more in there. Alright, so I got 3 fish. I'm using a little Ned rig. Show you guys real quick what I'm using. here at Deer Creek. Alright. Little net rig right here. About that much. Little 2-inch little Senko I caught off the tail. A little jig head. About halfway through the Senko. That's what I'm catching them on. These little smallies. They're not very big at all. I'm sure the big one's somewhere around here, but there you go. That's what I'm using. Alright guys. I got a giant smallie on right now. It's about a pound and a half. I'm gonna work him out. I don't want him to come off. I've been losing like 4 fish in a row. I don't want to lose this guy right here. It's a big one. It is a big one right here. Oh, he's barely hooked. There's a chance that I'm gonna lose this fish. He's barely hooked.
¿Qué agarró aquel güey?
Walleye. Alright, I think he's done. Oh, hell yeah. Fish on!
I'll see what the hell he's
That's what I'm
got
talking
it.
about. I think they caught a walleye, huh? What do they have? Walleye? Oh, yeah. Alright, guys. Check this little bad boy out right here. About a pound and a half, maybe a pound.
¿Ya se pagó?
No, she got him. Caught him in this little... Nothing. Right here, guys. Nice little smallmouth on a little Ned rig. Back. Actually, take a picture of it first. Nice one. Alright, guys, back in the water she goes. Nice fish right here. Probably the best one so far today. I've been catching a lot of little ones. I haven't been recording as much, but I did catch this guy, and this one's definitely worth recording. There she goes. Straight back down where I got her. So we're working with this little point right here. We're working with a Ned rig, all these rocks, and that's why we're catching them right now. Pretty fresh. Alright, my uncle finally caught a fish. After what? 2, 3, 4 hours? Fish on. Gotta be careful not to hook yourself. Damn. Took the little countdown minnow type. And yeah, he ate it and then he got hooked on the bottom. Nice. Fish on. Fish gone. That's what's up. Alright, looks like the little minnow did its work. Caught one on that. Caught a bunch of the Ned rig. Lost a bunch of the Ned rig. I can catch some more. Hopefully some bigger ones. Alright guys, I just caught a little largemouth right here. Tiny little guy, but he's pissed. Ouch. Cute little guy. Not a 10-pounder, but still, this is the second one. I caught one earlier. It was a little smaller than this, but still a nice little largie on that little Ned rig. It's working beautiful for me. Take him out, let him go. Alright, let's let him go. See you. Yes. Fish on. Alright. Rookie's on. Are you even recording? Yeah. It's a big one? Or nah? No, rookie. There you go. That's a nice one. Not bad. It's a nice fish.
Come on, baby. Come on with your daddy.
Fish on.
Daddy.
10-pounder.
Come here with your daddy, baby.
That's funny. Fish on.
Woohoo!
10-pound second. Bye-bye. Uncle's down on a toad, taking him all over the place. It's a nice fish. It's a nice one, yeah. Bring him in, bring him in, bring him in, bring him in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's a pretty one, huh? Pretty fish. I think there's another one earlier chasing him too.
It's heavy fish.
It's a nice fish. It's a good one. Heck yeah, fish on. We're on the Giants now. We came across this beautiful little break from, you know, and there's a lot of fish in here, I'm guessing. Let's sit down right here and cast. Damn, this thing's hot. It's burning my butthole. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Oh, largemouth. That's a largemouth. That's a largemouth. That's a good large. That's a good largemouth right there. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that bad boy right there. Finally. It's been 45 minutes since I caught the last fish. Oh, those teeth are sharp. Let's see. Alright, get off. Get off. That's quick, man. Gotta pop this sucker out of the way. They're freaking stuck in there pretty good. There we go. Gotta come over here. Let this guy loose. Let's see, how did I get him? There we go. That is a 1 pound larger right there. That's what I'm talking about. This is my third one today, actually. This is by far the biggest. That's what I'm talking about. So, woo! Alright guys, here you go. 1 pound little largie over here at Deer Creek. Beautiful catch. I seen him and I totally freaked out, but there you go. It's just something different from the smallies. I've been catching these smallies for a while now, so it's nice to catch a little decent largemouth out of Deer Creek right here. Alright dude, you ready? Come here. Get out of here. Heck yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Fish on. Fish on. Let me there. That was a good largemouth. I think that's far the best catch of the day. Yeah. This is like smallmouth territory. This isn't largemouth. So it's kind of cool to catch one. I mean, I've caught 3 already, but that's the biggest one. Could come across a couple of more though, so that'd be fun. Alright guys, taking a quick little break. We got some water, we ran out of water. We got some little ho-hos, cupcakes, some chips. We're gonna get back in fishing here in a little bit. Hopefully catch a couple more. It is freaking hot. The water is not staying very cold at all. So I don't know, we'll see how much longer we'll stay. Until then, stay tuned. Espérame, tío. second biggest of the day. It's about a pound. The other one was about a pound and a half. Caught him on this little brush over there, trying to bite me. Nice little largie. Second one of the day. He got a chub. Beautiful fish. I'll let him go. Alright. Oh, almost fell down. Alrighty, dude. Get out of here. Fish on, guys. It's kind of hard to record, but we're still recording. Alright, Marco just caught another larger right here. That's 5 large today in total. Nice. So they are in a little brush in there then. It's the only thing that looks good for them to be in. Nice little largemouth. Hopefully the wind doesn't mess up the audio. Cute little guy, not a giant. Fish on. Alright, we got 5 largies and a bunch of smallies, so that's actually turned out to be pretty good. I'm gonna keep casting, see if we can catch some